The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for McLennan, Bell, Falls, Bosque, Robertson, Limestone, Hill, Millam, Coryell, beginning at 8:58 p.m. Friday, August 18th, and ending at 2:58 a.m. Saturday, August 19th. From KCEN. KCEN, you promised that you would fix your emergency alert system. And you still haven't fixed it. You're so not ready for the National Periodic Test of the Emergency Alert System. Hope you have it fixed by the September required monthly test or the National Periodic Test. It's gonna be a long-ass month.